Okay, and we're back for day 3 of doing every day. And as you can tell, I've got my nice OBS working. So I've got my face and I've got my screen at the same time. Excited to use it. So for day 3, we are going to do conditional formatting on Excel. The reason being is when I was in university, I'm not going to say which university, um, I had an Excel course and I paid someone to take that course for me. So I never learned I guess, the specific details on how to really get the most out of Excel. And I'm feeling the pain now. So I need to learn at least some small things. And so you guys are keeping me accountable. And I'm going to do it today. And maybe you guys will learn something too. Who knows? So I've got my Excel right here, which is pretty cool. One of the things that's been holding me back from learning Excel is having to purchase Microsoft Office. I never wanted to purchase it because, I don't know, it just seemed like a stupid thing to buy. And turns out you can access Excel for free if you just have a Skype account. It's amazing. It's like they're going the Google Sheets route, the G Suite route. So anyway, let's do this. We are going to watch this video and going to do some basic stuff. So I think what I'm going to do first is I'm going to copy these details really quickly. I know they don't have to be exactly the same, but I'm really slow, so it will help me understand that when I mess up, it's because I'm an idiot and not because the data is different than the video. See, when you're an idiot, you learn cool ways to help bring you to reality on allowing you to understand when you are actually being an idiot and when you're not being an idiot. Because when you're an idiot, it's really hard to tell when you're being an idiot. Wisdom for today. So, don't be an idiot, but if you are an idiot, figure out ways to understand when you are an idiot or when you are being an idiot. 652 76 831 36586. Okay, now the product. Syrup, tea, some good old Cajun seasoning, olive oil, boysenberry. I don't know what that is. Did I spell that wrong? Yes. Missing an E. Dried pears. That's a shame. Pears are amazing. Why would you ruin them by drying them? That's the best part, is that they're so juicy. Oil. Got it. Let's make this a little bigger. I do not like how it doesn't show you before. You see what I mean? It's like when you're trying to make it wider, it tells you the width right here, but it doesn't show you. Oh, it does show you. Never mind. It shows you this little line right here. There I go again. Okay, I do know this. I want to make this field, and we'll do this field, $. Yeah. So I think that means I can. Wait, did it do it? I don't think it did it. It's not doing it. 2 decimal places. Okay, that's exactly what I want. 8. Yeah, now I didn't need to make these columns so wide. I'm realizing. Because it's just basically 4 characters wide. 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 5. Okay, now the profit. I love me some profit. 3 decimal 3 7 3 57 4. Oh, what'd I do? Okay, I fucked up somewhere here. So 73. Okay, 73, 57, 377. What happened? 377, 04, 201, 113. And stock, 328. Got a lot of those. 258. Don't have as many of those. 138. We're running out of those. Well, that's probably a good thing. Profit's so low on these. All right, 639. All right, there's no one buying these. Maybe the margins are... Anyway, this isn't a freaking business tutorial. It's just fake numbers. 830, 294, and 830 again. Boom. All right. Now we have this. I think I should make this a chart. Is that format as a table? I feel like it might be formatted as a table. Data. Okay. Oh, what's up? That looks professional. All right, guys. Thanks for joining. No, I'm joking. Now we get into the harder stuff. Am I recording? I am recording. Good. Guys, I'm new to this, all right? Give me a break. All right, here comes the video. Let's listen.
To control more precisely what cells will be formatted, you can use formulas to apply conditional formatting. In this example, I'm going to format the cells in the product column if the corresponding cell in the in-stock column is greater than 300. I select the cells I want to conditionally format. When you select a range of cells, the first cell you select is the active cell. In this example, I selected from B2 through B10. So B2 is the active cell. We'll need to know that shortly.
Active cell.
Create a new rule. Select Use a formula to determine which cells to format.
Hold on. I need to get my...
B2 is the active cell, I type...
Wait, teacher.
Equals...
You go back a little bit. I need to get my windows properly fitted to my screen, so I don't have to keep going back and forth. So boom, that should be kind of good there. Now I'll just do this. And I'm just going to minimize this. Okay. Okay. Back to the video.
Create a new rule.
Oh, fuck.
Select.
I'm too far over. I need this to be smaller. Because I need conditional formatting. Boom. What'd I just do? Okay.
We'll need to know that shortly. Create a new rule. Select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Since B2 is the active cell,
All right, I need to create a new rule. Why doesn't it show like clear rules? Let's try. Where the? All right. Wait, this is not search. Damn it. I need help. Insert. Where is create a new rule? Oh, whoop, don't do that. Piss me off. Highlight cells rules. Oh, maybe I just don't need to. Okay. Maybe I just don't need to do that. Let's see what he's doing. Okay.
active cell. We'll need to know that shortly. Create a new rule. Select Use a formula to determine which cells to format.
Use a formula to determine which cells to format. What the? Help. Help. Add. To click, yeah, it says to add conditional format, click new rule. So, where is it? Dude, this is driving me crazy. See, this is the kind of stuff that just pisses me off. What the fuck? Alright, well, I guess new tab. How to, or where to find, create a new rule in Excel. Highlight cells, top/bottom rule, color scales are not sufficient. For example, highlight the codes below. This is driving me nuts. Conditional formatting, new rule. That's use a formula. It's driving me crazy. It should be right here. Fuck. maybe just fucking that.
Since B2 is the active cell, I type equal sign E2 greater than sign 300.
God, this pisses me off.
Note that in the
Fucking
formula,
hate. So I guess it's a greater than thing. So what do you say to do? Equals E2 greater than 300.
use the relative cell reference E2 to make sure the formula adjusts to correctly format the other cells in column B. I click the Format button and choose how I want to format the cells. I'm going to use a blue fill.
Old video, I guess.
Click OK to accept the color. Click OK again to apply the format.
Why don't I fucking...
And the cells in the product column, where the corresponding cell in column E is greater than 300, are
Well,
conditionally
nothing
formatted.
fucking happened. What the fuck? So why didn't that work? Conditional fucking format. Alright, just clear all that shit. Boom. Conditional formatting. Greater than. Alright. Format cells that are greater than. See, that's not. It's not the right freaking rule. And it's driving me nuts. Because why can't I freaking do this? Is it insert? No. Format? No. God damn it. Alright, well, maybe I just fucking put in all that data for no reason. And now I've got to go to a different freaking video. God damn it, that pisses me off.
So B2 is the active cell. We'll need to know that shortly. Create a new rule.
See, that!
Select
Right here! I don't freaking have that! I have clear
create
rules!
a new rule.
Jesus Christ. No, I don't need to clear that shit. Is it because I'm in a freaking table? The table. My gosh, dude, I am just I'm freaking lost right now. Can I do a new I can't do a new rule here either. Jesus. Dude, they're just telling me to do this shit. My God. Oh, you guys don't know how pissed this gets me. I'm tired. I could just forget about this and go to sleep. Is it because of the... I don't have the... Like... Select your data range and go to Home, Conditional Format. From there you can page style. If you use Conditional Formatting on your desktop Excel, the changes to your work. Oh, but so maybe it's not the full product. It's just an extension. Okay, conditional formatting not working. Me too, Dave. This shows the condition, which is to change a cell color to text and text to green if the date is within the last 7 days. I'm unable to review the rules. Can only delete all rules or try. I can only delete all rules or try and add a new rule, which doesn't work. Yeah. When I click OK, the cell does not update automatically. That user created it in OneDrive. I don't know any of that. Alright, no, that doesn't seem to be what I'm looking for. If you use conditional tests. Dude, maybe this Excel Online isn't a replacement for Excel. And Excel Online offers almost all the same features. So if you're interested in collaboration, move down to the web. Here's how to use it. How to use the guide as a beginner. What the hell is OneDrive? There are 2 ways to locate Excel Online. I'm there. First, you can open OneDrive. Excel Online features. Fuck out of here. However, the majority of Excel's most important features are supported equally. If there's a feature unsupported in Excel Online, but the majority of your project can be completed between online and desktop using OneDrive. Spreadsheets, online or desktop. Excel Online is designed identically and offers similar functions for gathering, analyzing, and visualizing data. Offers collaboration. Sorry, I was getting messages on my phone. Alright, conditional formatting. If you're worried about conditional formatting alongside, you shouldn't be. Excel Online supports conditional formatting. To use conditional formatting online, select your data range and then go to Home, Conditional Formatting. There you can pick your style. Oh, see? Yeah. Right, this picture right here doesn't have new. If you use conditional formatting on your desktop, so you'll see the changes in your workboard. Hidden functions online. But where the fuck is new? Not new this. New conditional format. Dude, oh my goodness. Driving me insane. Alright, conditional formatting. Highlight. Wait, but. So if greater than. So equals E2 is greater than 300. Okay. Nothing happened. What am I doing wrong?
Select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Since B2 is the active cell, I type equal sign E2 greater than sign 300. Note that in the formula, I used the relative cell reference E2 to make sure the formula adjusts to correctly format the other cells in column B. I click the Format button and choose how I want to format the cells. I'm going to use a...
Did I have that option? I don't think I did. So E2 equals E2 greater than 300. Dude, it doesn't even give me any... Why? I don't understand this shit. Let's see if this works. So I'll go... I don't know why this would work, but... So this is I10 and L. I10 and L. L10 greater than 300. Dude, this is driving me insane. I hate all this. Like, is it the table? That's what it's got me thinking now. So it's like syrup, jelly, mustard, ham. And then let's say 320, 250, 360. Whoops, I don't want that. Just like that. Okay. 320, 250, 360, 510. All right. No, it doesn't freaking work. So I'd have to do this. Dude, oh my god, I am going insane. Wait, what was the... It's just new rule. No. You see what I'm saying? It's just... Well, this is a fucking bust. How the fuck does it not let you do that? Alright, guys. Later.